back, guys. If you're new here, please click the subscribe button and follow, as the case may be. I am on Facebook as Excelling with Christy and on YouTube as also Excelling with Christy. Please, on YouTube, click the notification button and so that you will know whenever I post a new video. All right, this video is a continuation of our topic, Introduction to Algebra. We have looked at simplifying algebraic expressions. We have looked at solving algebraic equations. Okay, this time around, we're going to be looking at word problems in algebra. Word problems in algebra. Okay, word problems in algebra. This question says, for a period of 7 weeks, it did not rain for n days. For a period of 7 weeks, it did not rain for n days. N days. For how many days did it rain? For how many days did it rain? For a period of 7 weeks, it did not rain for n days. For how many days did it rain? All right, I'm taking my time to read this question because in word problems, you need to read it and understand what you are required to do before solving. Now, this question is very, very simple. Very, very simple. Okay? All right. 7 weeks. There are 7 days in a week. All right? And the question is asking you to get your answer in days. All right? Gives you 7 weeks and is asking you to get the answer in days. So this is what you do simply. There are 7 days. 7 days is equal to 1 week, right? Okay? That means 49, 7 weeks rather. 7 days will give us 7 weeks. Okay? So it says for a period of, let me change it and replace this. For a period of 49 days, it did not rain. For a period of 49 days, rather, it rained for only n days. Those n days, we don't know what it means, we don't know what it stands for. But has to find how many days, for how many days did it rain. So that means we're subtracting the days it rained, which is n days, from the 49 days. And this is simply 49 minus n days. Whatever n means, we don't know. So it's going to give us 49 minus n days. That's it. So this ends here. There's nothing else you can do with the information you're given except this. Okay? Simple, right? Okay, guys, here's another interesting one. Another interesting question. This one says, if 7 is subtracted from twice a certain number, the result is the same as adding 8 to the number. What is the number? If 7 is subtracted from twice a certain number, that certain number will be our unknown. Okay? We don't know what it is. The result is the same as adding 8 to the number. What is the number? Okay? So this is a typical word problem in algebra. It's easy to solve. It's interesting to solve. Okay, let's get to it. That certain number, we're simply going to give it a name. Let's the number, that's the number we don't know, be, let's call it y this time around. We have overused x. Let's call it y or z or whatever number you like. Okay? Now, we'll read the question step by step and form an equation. This says if 7 is subtracted from twice a certain number. Remember, the certain number is now y. So twice the number is 2y. And 7 is subtracted from it, that's minus 7. Okay? It says it is the same as, that is equal to, the result is the same as adding 8 to the number. That means y, which is the number, plus 8 on this side. What is the number? By doing this, we have formed an equation. To find the number now, this last question, what is the number? We have to solve this equation. Okay? To solve this equation, we have to first collect like terms. Okay? We have a y term here and a y term here. So we bring them closer. 2y is already on this side, but y is crossing the equality sign. Remember, when a number or a letter or whatever crosses equality sign, the sign changes. This y here is a positive y because it doesn't have a negative side in front of it. So when it crosses to this side, it becomes a negative y. So this is minus 2y, okay, equal to this 7 moves over this way to meet 8 because they are both whole numbers, okay. So we have 8 plus the negative 7 moves over and becomes a positive number. That's plus 7. Okay, we simplify this. 2y minus y is just y. Just like you have y into two places. Remove one, you have one left. So this is equal to 8 plus 7 is what? 15. So that certain number is 15. Let's do a check. Let's check it. Check. That means we're putting y as 15 on this side alone first. So this first side says 2y minus 7, right? So 2y, remember y is 15. So 2 times 15 is what? 30 minus 7, and that is 23. So this first side gives us 23. So on this other side, it says y plus 8. So y plus 8. Remember y is 15, so 15 plus 8 is equals 23. So 23 on this side and 23 on this side means that the equation balanced, and it means that our answer is very correct. So guys, if you're given a word problem in algebra, it is easy. Read the question first, form an equation from it, and solve following the rules of algebra. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, till my next video, stay smart.